E rere kau mai te awa o Whanganui, mai te kāhui maunga ki Tangaroa, ko au te awa, ko te awa ko au. That's a Whanganui pepeha, symbolising the iwi relationship with the ancestral waterway. Whanganui was the venue for the Waka Sprints Waka Wānanga 2014. The two-day event started on the river with Matariki, a Waka tangata, carrying the mauri and coveted taonga for the challenge. Tangi te kura, tō te matapihi, pūtiki waranui.
Kei te katakata pea o ngā mātua ngā tūpuna, ti tiro atu ki tēnei i te haringatanga mai o ngā tamariki i ngā mokopuna ki rungi te awa. Engari e tautoko mai ki tēnei ki te Wānanga, o Aotearoa, ki haria mai ki tēnei i te mātauranga, me kio ki tēnei ngā mahi Māori, mai ki rungi te whenua, mai ki rungi tēnei ki te awa.
After the pōwhiri, it was time to put their skills to the test by completing the day skipper and VHF qualifications. Tauira demonstrated their skills through plotting chants, knot tying and a rope challenge using common knots. There was also a communication test where Tauira had to pinpoint their position on the waka armour blindfolded.
A bit nervous at the start of it, but we got our team together, just went out there, had fun really, just got caught up in the moment, so enjoyed it all.
Coast Guard Boating, Education and Training Manager John Reid says the challenge was a fun way to revise skills they had learned.
We changed it slightly from last year, and I think the guys did really well. We tried to input the challenges so that they revised what they learnt during the Waka Armour course and had a lot of fun. Yeah, that was good.
Then it was time for a dip in the pool, where life-saving skills were put into practice, finishing with a competitive swim to bring the evening to an end.
We've got a strategy ready?
Of course, we're going to win.
Excellent. All out.
All out.
All out. Can't wait.
Even the historic paddle steamer, the Waimarie, joined in the action, with tourists watching the Waka Armour Sprint races on day 2 of the challenge.
Today is the key day for the students to demonstrate their practices and these techniques and skills that they've learned throughout the Waka Armour program. Just over 300 students are here attending Waka Wānanga and are really amped, and we're quite pleased of the results that we've seen this far.
Whiri Koka, taught by Matahi Brightwell and Karen Peniaha, dominated on the river, winning both the men's and women's 250-metre sprints.
Oh, it was really good. It was really easy. The semi-finals were quite hard, and now we've just got into the groove, so yeah.
Excellent.
It's just awesome to have that experience of first-time paddlers going out. No, it's awesome.
River's really heavy, really hard, paddling concrete.
While there was a competitive mood, there was also a spirit of whanaungatanga.
I love it. It's awesome. It's a beautiful experience, and there's a lot of influential and inspiring people.
O ki tēnei te wā tuatahi mōku hei hoi ki runga I te awa nei, and mō tātai katoa. Ai, tino pai.
This is a great program. It offers great opportunities for whānau, really, you know, in different age groups to come together and learn a sport like Waka Armour, which is, you know, it's the backbone of us.
Tainui Rohe will host the event in 2015. Te anga Nathan, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.